everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be taking down my pipe cleaners. I put them in last night and I'm taking them out this morning. Yes, I did not have them in for a full day, or I should say no, I did not have them in for a full day, and you know that when I put in rollers and things like that, I tend to keep it in for like 2 days. But this time I used this hood attached to my blow dryer, and I feel like that really made a big difference in the drying time of my hair. So I put it in, or I wore it for about an hour and change yesterday, on and off. As it got too hot, I would pause it and then relax, and then I would come back to it. So that's what I did last night after putting the rollers in. Plus I put the pipe cleaners in, one pipe cleaner per lock, so I knew that would help it dry more evenly and quicker. So sorry I look really tired, I feel really tired, and I'm sure that you guys can see that, but I'm gonna just put it on so you guys can see how it works. And this video is not sponsored, but I really wanted to try a hood, and I found one that I really like, and I feel like this is really effective. I know that sometimes they can be really cheap, and when I say cheap I mean the quality, and no, I don't think that that's the case at all for this one. So basically, here's what it looks like on the inside. See, it has holes to help the heat evenly distribute throughout, and I just put it on. And it has a drawstring. Okay, and then it has these little straps to secure it. There. And it's attached to this blow dryer. And by the way, this blow dryer is Ion Touch Tech, so it's you can control the heat by just sliding your finger up and down. So I just stopped it so you guys can hear me talk. But I'm gonna blow dry it for like another 10 minutes before I take down my pipe cleaners. So yeah. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. Oh, the drawstring. And I'm apologizing for coming on here so tired, but I just know that I really wanted to take these rollers out now, and I can't just take a nap first. But yeah, I got up really early this morning. I had a driving class. Don't come for me, I'm 27 and I can't drive, but I'm learning. I live in New York, okay? So give me a break. I live in New York. So it hasn't been a priority until now. So yeah, I took a double driving lesson just now, and I'm really tired. I'm getting better, guys, so I'll be getting my license soon. So let's start taking these down. Again, I used one pipe cleaner per lock. So I'm expecting these curls to come out super tight. See, that's one thing with pipe cleaners though. Man, my hair gets tangled into them so badly sometimes. Like, I don't even know what's going on here. Let me know if you guys ever have issues with like the fibers in the pipe cleaner like locking into your hair. There we go. Okay. And I think that it really just happens because when I do curls, I don't retwist. I don't like curls on me with a fresh retwist because it takes away the volume when you retwist it. neck length, guys. So my hair, it definitely feels dry. I definitely believe that it's dry completely. I will confirm at the end of this video. But if you guys are looking into getting a hood to attach to your blow dryer, because listen, you know those dryers that you have to sit under, the ones that you can get at like Target or whatever, those are so uncomfortable, man. Those are so uncomfortable. And you have to prop them up a certain kind of way and sit under them. It's just really awkward. So I do definitely recommend getting a hood to attach to your blow dryer instead of getting like an actual dryer that you have to sit under. And if you're looking for a good one, again, this is my first time using it. I really like it so far. I'll have a link below. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but I will most likely have an affiliate link for it. It's gonna be from Amazon. So if you do end up getting it from my link, I will get a little commission, like a couple dollars probably. So yeah, this is gonna take forever. So I'm gonna do this off camera. And I will be back when this is done. Oh yeah, and by the way, when I take down my pipe cleaners, in a lot of my videos, some of you guys are like, oh, why don't you just slide it off? No. I can't. I literally cannot slide these off. I tie them very tightly onto the pipe cleaner to ensure that the curl comes out tight. You see how tight that is? Alright, so I'll be back. So here they are. So I'm back. I took them all out. I'm pretty sure I got all of them. And they're like 95% dry. So I'm gonna put my hair in the hood again. Oh wait, what's this? Oh. I'm gonna put my hair in the hood again for like 10 minutes and I'm gonna go to sleep. I need some sleep. Like, I can't believe I'm filming looking like this. So you know what? I'm gonna come back refreshed so you guys don't remember me looking like this. Remember me better. But so far I'm relatively pleased. As you can see, they're like here. Cute length. Reminds me of when my locks were about 3 years old. Yeah. Maybe 4. 3. So I'm back. I'm rested. It's the next day. I got my eyelashes done. No makeup still, but that's okay. Y'all not here for that. Y'all here for these curls. Yes. Here they are. Again, I don't know. Next time around, I'm going to dry it even longer, which is not a hassle because I only dried it for about an hour altogether, maybe a little over an hour altogether. Next time I'll go for 2 hours, and that should make my curls more consistent. And I really want to try it with my perm rod rollers. I can't find them though, but I'm going to try that next time. I hope you like the results. Again, I'll have the link below if you guys want to get the hood for your blow dryers, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.